Emra Sompa 93.1 FM so a browse so finish sabre kwabem say dumienu ebe bona ye be sori nkonya so no I dia godiam nsem ene ba your friend full time na for message sabra live on Facebook I Sompa 93.1 ene anopay wadaro maya na obombode answer obehye yem page no as many times abesa wo share wodo messages abegu aye comment section no ababra no so a ye be kinkan messages live on the show ama wa fei make us a live on aye TV aye Sompa TV baby bia wo bia na this aye dwumadia ye friend full time ye sorry news ababa ansa na Sompa nkomo enso ababeto aso abadwafo nyina ewa ha Bishop Atapoku afei make us Apostle Jeffrey Asare Michael Asare Bodu enso ebeten nkan no pay live on the show the entire production team ana chese ye nyina ya kabom ana no page media no ye de baba down ye be ram ewa mano no foreign news ababa na our unfold aho ebe beja esanse Liverpool omo say omo sie Chelsea ene ama manager for the Jurgen Klopp omo so a party ana omo to ede ama omo coach ho nsem ni nyina no ebe ba ye ram ewo fie so Black Stars captain a chopa no afei aba long last ni nyina no ye be ba ne aba behwem ewo bra luta ede ebe ram enso ewo fie betwe say men koso na me mon kan sa afei ana AFCON mu aye desanse ya separated the boys from the men enti koso na bet our match bia be so utwa enso our AFCON mu aye 25 Ghana cedis elkono debi abenya chede more than 5 times achese ni nyina no aye betwe enkwana ma sa kwanyan ama enepa enso ababe odia we above 80 years aye kan for betwe enso ede amount regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana not for persons below 18 years no aye betwe www.betway.com.gh ho ana abekwana obe sign up and so registration nyina no we be amasika sem enso aye kama yaba bekwama no ya the foreign news ma ya ria yaba bani aba behwem enso ewo foreign ansana yaba beto aso enso ewo fiemon samanfo e de omo message say about Twitter and I say na your friend X okwa ya search some passports on Twitter X na fe wow the hashtag and no aye some passports enso aba na Taiwan Ezra say good morning fancy more update on Mbappe to Madrid afei when so Luis Fabiano says keep the Fabian and Luis Fabiano watching you live on also at the Canadian free out of your official college of education and so and a buyer when so I say can't wait to hear from Atapoku your friend Abdullah Al Hassan and on also identity and buy Ibrahim Ventures say hello my man fancy Babao watching you live from in Sanwon Pakro blessings to you and your team that say I'm on for the messages in Bamo live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and also yeah come on your brand so this your media fan is full time yeah foreign yeah the latest I'm on my ready I am great
be doing work 2 for on my shirt
the stadium Bafana now attack. The flag stays down, does it? The ball's in the net. It's evidence, Makomba. Will it count? It will, you know. It will, you know. And South Africa have got a goal against the run of play. And there's evidence that they could be going through to the next round. His 4th goal on his 14th appearance. He took it brilliantly. Seiss will look at his fellow central defender. It just opened up for the South Africans there, and evidence Makhopa, the man born in
I'm just lost for words. I mean, he's amazing.
watch me get him like Kobe sick with it no COVID black clouds break open rain down like roses I smell a rose now I'm focused the game is cold but I'm frozen the lane is closed but I'm bowling all mine but no COVID all around no boy
and so our matches cinema and some matches out no and some about some matches I was about you know you don't update anymore and some about now you second say and some and say we pray ram our club your fans say no I bamunch no ama so ani nyina no wonum say buy for no hwan mu say wo some about me signings and so adiaba now brother one Steven Bergwijn okay ya di kan ya betu da ama ma control sa kwada no wo bia bamunch bobokuo no and some monitor no Now report to me say player your fan Steven Bergwijn I was in a guy and some adama yes on him so bueno one kasa agent and so ade ababa to twa say I am person ba mo nche boboko no wo mo som ade omo ho ba a chese ban fana confirm say wo mo som anya kwada na omo pe na mo say kobasa bia ayas team no wo mo som abetia se ama player your fan Steven Bergwijn and so join club your fan so ban na just wo mo nkomo no wo mo som start at the free bus at 31.2 million euros our no and some latest update about Kodani Diano and I yet for an pay and some our show no so away no and some I Bergwijn and so uncommon Yanya Ram our Germany I was here now mammy already found Zabi Alonso when him say Zabi Alonso medical ya to him say one Bamuchin Fonina one other so replacing manager you found Thomas Tuchel and what Liverpool supporters living so full say woman the Alonso ba eba some be catch on sir nyame arma next to come say woman sheshe I was a meeting eba so and some meeting I was a basso nyina no and some Liverpool empire for no woman annual reference Alonso and some ebeshia say unim some bamunchi for joba kweka o ama omoye say Zabi Alonso I was some fano and some adena say what can Alonso kobo ball ama ba France of bamunchi say yes some time no na Carl Heinz Rummenigge and no right just one some time now on some I penny only hoiness munina no send yes so plan and some other say Zabi Alonso retire and some other free I football anymore I was say Alonso I'm a fan of Juma nam a sporting director and some other bamunchi timono now already fan some Michael Rashka okay so no maybe can answer Rashka say one can send Alonso kwakoshia and some could do come out time now I say Alonso catch on so there why not just best your coach you know I am managerial job nana say one some best room to run and they 1 year Juma Juma Amali Vakusina among for send a motor I was no send and kabamunchi fan best one no and some other sporting director our Brameka say run some about Benia your fan some manager I'm a bamunchi timono and some I said penny BM now Jaminian say about to just a pontena your fan say Giovanni Reina about Sevilla as of anyone Joe Adebanano Peno now yet is a Dortmund Akudana your fan Giovanni Reina and Yanko Sevilla Bobokono now Jamesa Canusano paying Wabako aye Premier League anymore now Premier League apprentice say Reina and some icon club woman also aye Juma Ewoma you found Nottingham Forest ho and Jamesa can so point and so call agreement aye Juma will talk about 6 months loan no option to buy aye between 15 equity 20 million euros our brano and some aye scout container you found say Giovanni Reina and some other fetch Ediama Dortmund now Dortmund goalkeeper your father said Gregor Kobel. What can I say? Buying and say, I said, I'm a ball and I'm crown. When you want that, now answer say and performing say, woman some other report up no, woman say goalkeeper no, when your problem player, woman say when your ear infection, not just some sono, I are infected, and I'm say I don't want Casa on te, woman say Okasa goalkeeper and I'm say Otiama on te, or almost say Ote, now I are infected, I are there, woman say symptoms to be and say yana say why dizzy kakra and you one and what you do baby I said hunom yana nsuo kakra frimu and so bas and chest and huno and some sunny nsuo was that champagne na say I had a bonom and say yana Ghana mrantie and some agina picture so bobo we get the massa what woman hunu too but on the bobo side the head the ball who say what the infection I was so team as of now, yes, a goalkeeper. Your friend said Gregor Kobel and some never to me a ball. Now, Jaminian's Alex Mayer and then Yamia Momu game about our bra. One some and a half frame, ever born in Ano, one some never to me a damn Shadrach. But when you saw Mammy Nema Da Silva Junior and what you said, Nema say or reply at the moment and saying, no man for me, take you to social media and so now, yapa because I'm saying, you did do her and your dead name and you now as of Enron. Nanema and some on IG Instagram and a name as our message a very simple cry now at the TV someone for posting a picture nema yo kutu why kakra kabi no say na nanu ya upra ya kotra fina waye kese sei ani eso baba untimi mobo na ma se anyabia sam se waye kese I wa gaining weight okay na anyabia no weight and wa gaining onye kese and wo pagya ne t-shirt ne say munhwe me yafunu 6 pack ne ne da so ho as 6 pack awanya mesini amana days my cement kakra mortar kakra fa so as ye plaster 6 pack ne sana na ma de no ensom akwakoya ne ma 6 pack no ensom da so ho a adwuma na mo amoten no do ba bia anya mo fra no o cha mo middle finger o video no ma middle finger the moment abroni ebe ni nsatia na won finfi ade a che ni pada sani no na che se we use f word ejama we do atam brutal bra enti na ma se wa post bibi ha no wo je the middle finger wa comment wa ase no achi mu a mu de no fo se wa ye kese ana na fu abo afei wa ye kutu amsa wo hunu de onya no ho no na ma se o je the middle finger a che se no I reply akotana ye fa ne name edem afei latest wo ra ye fa ne Daniel Alves ade no ho nie make sure say nyame ya doma next month and that's another the month of February and then January ewu na efru o kire kwano nyina no player ye fa no Alves abesa court now from 5th February ade kwano court o kwa for latest amenya no say onsa wa tribia cross and kebia court adaka no no ono oma meginam and lawyer adwuma say bia lawyer no beba be di enampo watwitwa ensom agene na evidences a ne ma me enya ye ene sane ma nyina no me de abroad data na report am say can say yes Alves say on one case no tutum say na under the influence of alcohol dano na wa twabi pa ye ka so obi atwabi a na wa mia be heavily wa bose sram eti wa again washroom one so round or case ola bra minie yama me no se adeba no asiga na sum achesem obutu gan one ma one gan da simple our bro bano ama ne kwan se o mama me ho kwan ene menya ono me be kwan na club washroom ana one me ya wo sen fo so se simasum enti anya esem no kokwaya pi na je aba no se yaso de kotu dwa so de obagene fo so atuntun ko ba no ankoba man mpatesi ka kese pa the last time we be koti by 500,000 euros. Yes, say Alves say we betua more than that amount no. Nan kebi an jail sentence and kebi a court and some adebamano and no between best 8 or 10 years no. Woman tesom and from 4 years. No sentence come on bano. Yes, or bano lawyer so no. Uncle say your fro just a lawyer and your friend Esther Garcia was saying if you see the saw your bema and I saw your bar I did be a crime. I just said about do a crime against a sexual freedom piano. I was said damages today. Consequences biano. I was some oje and some atum our brano and some update about something yet the Emma yet for anano pay and some our show some way and some chim so ra you found it Nova Djokovic what does some award number 1 now Shadrach Mame Djokovic t-shirt no what say or button as na Natalia was biana sponsored a Lacoste and a Keteno I'm said I walk be a friend Lacoste but Lacoste na nkasa ne de dencham ne dam no when Lacoste na nkasa na na ye sheda hu Djokovic o model Edamam ayesa branda ye fan sala ko say dasebia we gina ho ye kan fanyinim aya postia ye de ya de no obotana so gina court no so de a we shall across a t-shirt no when asaba bem say for the first time in so many years Djokovic a model o matadia enom Lacoste wo mso we ye mema de Nasa upe biapa aya $155 and I'm yes Mr. City about usi we na de that's no na $155 no not just 1,915 Ghana boys say and can see can 90 million what the dollar cost ba ko pa house we aba boss wa ma pa the sikano who's washusha was Federal Djokovic there and what dress in la cost here for bra ba ko pa almost say aya 90 million and kanisika 1,900 and I just said over Djokovic no one some ashe ade ya juma and I update about honsam no ya de emia for tie or fan San Fabio Capello Lecco Italy. One of them AC Milan coach in the Makacho that I said Zlatan Ibrahimovic Pamono. Now the Jumana Am Antonio Conte. Nam Omukobusa Capello Don. Say open your Juma why you be experience and should be a banner. Purely no. We bet me the blame. Abono am I a year? Ure fan say Capello say. You want to just squad na AC Milan ekita na me no kasai. Wo be your Bernardo so ana Milan dia ana omuntimi just kidato. Milan aya ade bi on beto so third. Na chese mo jai esoro ade ama bia Inter ni Juve. Say omo no mo nkwaji league no na AC Milan jamu do omo kwa kwhye number third. Ana say bia chese position third. Oru an say ono odweno on chase na squad at Juventus ekita no. When you compare AC Milan and saying in Milan aye no AC Milan awo chese value and some a chain aye Juventus. One valuable just a okay squad in a bomber. Said the bonus here and how a club and some bossika some more value a chain a Juve. And then you can say Juve a finish ahead of AC Milan. Now a chance many janum and in the Juma will be a terminal. What about AC Milan? Middle no more a can chala no glue. Francesi, Ismail Benacer, and Sandro Tonali, and on my way, Martin Tonina, and then fifth Uber Conwebia Benacer, some as will jump Kakra, Nabo now so on the day, and could I be just a snipe desnomne, Massa. I've grown a moody and someone yabre ever brack a palo, a sem or Gidiaba Sunday, and you cross AC Milan. I am at some Cotoso, me and Sa Chesano, and some update Abba. Jameson can say Josie, every Roma Elco, striker, what didn't buy ya, your friend Andra Bellotti, Jaminians or Yavi. Now from Romano, Wakako Johnny Club, your friend of Fiorentina, Ewa Temio Frankie. Now, as I say, or fan say, Andra Bellotti Elcono, make this initial loan do, and Tosa, your baby season, or baby, one we also find the option to buy no, and some Abam Jaminano, and some others of Fiorentina, Yasoma Dome Elqua comes or no, and some other Baname Casay, now about any medical, or we are now so passing Quadia, now just a Bellotti Ebersine, and some Adama Club, your friend of Fiorentina, Ewa Brano, and some update to Abba Enra, manager fan Mikel Arteta, Akwaya Jumana Sample last season, Cabatiano Press Asna draw, Anase Bianca, Uncle Fonu Wagomba could be come that I say, Asna Kwakolu Zupako, Makachos almost say. Almost yadie at your free a last season emu baby ananka Arsenal kwa we finding it difficult so many resources in Arsenal and experience we from last season and no and about Amanio Manso to me akokema and some Adama Bobokua your fan Arsenal manager fan some Mikel Arteta our Arsenal your moment from last season in on also ade atuja our brande one also others what just say one also asuade at your free last season gentlemen our brano and some update to Abba Sansam Ninano, yet Emma, yet for Enano pay, and some our show no so Enra. When we game our post match and manager no, and some our brown something Ninano, yet Emma, yet for Enano pay, and some our show no so now Jaminian say, and some answer and Yanimsa, a Chelsea, and a Bobokua, your friend say Liverpool, and so our Anford, game no Ababaso. Now, my main front two, when him say, what brought so much Abaso, refund said Danny Murphy. Danny Murphy say, Onum, of who say Jurgen Klopp, Abakotie. Namumsa Klopp, Elqua, Upo. Ebenyan Sunsanso, our players Libiso, Ebimu Arisa Van Dijkenom, Anafe Mohamed Salah, Serbia boys way, now Omonia, Omadre Cross, Omobaqua, and Namekas and the boys no, and some other sister Omadre, our bra boys will also bet me Adrian, who signed the piano, Womunya Honko, and as a saying, and I was at Diano, and some city our brass and some Ninano, yet Emma, yet for Anano pay, and some our show no so, now Gamer Abasu Coacha, your fan say Jurgen Klopp, when him some Kasai, Club so the na womusem amama Anford adane te sasabi bonsem jam adiama Chelsea na gentleman mo kasa no nyina no say and again no and Barcelona say Jurgen Klopp ebe make announcement say or kono me fan say we a Premier League proper a Liverpool for no ebebo na and against ayebobo kwa fan say Chelsea no yesem amo say Chelsea for no kwa ni ma omo ho emma because anadwi mu beti bia hua pa mo ho be kire mo a chese ball no kwa nam say muntimi strength be ya passes miensa embom and munya ya pe hiri no mo ba beje a chese person anadwi say de Ibrahima Konate nom ene Chelsea Van Dijk nom ene Cody Gakpo nom me aye Chelsea boys no one right na assembles na Chelsea and manager Fransa Mauricio Pochettino enra wabe koba sa the pre-match conference abaso and Poch omubusa na so pani na anya biasa na de aye party ama club o wase Chelsea fanya so mo ko Anfield say wo mo ko akoto party na mom wo mo ko bo no ma she Liverpool and na tree more market on the or say Chelsea kwa share Liverpool our Anfield.
Special game for him, special. I think until to the end is going to be a special always. Every time that they're going to play in Anfield is going to be a party, for and to celebrate and to to give him all the love that they feel, the fans feel for him, and I think well deserved. But we are thinking to go there and to win the game. Sorry, but we don't want to be involved or part of the celebration. We want to be part important that thinking in us and to perform well and to win the game.
Yes, and I am some Chelsea manager Fransa Mauricio Pochettino and our tenant Casa ya den excepts Ninano and my for anano pay life our media your friend full time live on Sompa TV live on Sompa 93.1 our Facebook and so and I make house baby Biaba Fabiano ya day I story sending later send update and some like the Emana just say Geminiano Sadeba Kwanam so Ama Kodana Fransa Manto Brosha at our Chelsea Muntimintoya. And say, what's your could I umpe? But we'll be better than so better. We say major 30 million pounds. We'll be back make it at 25 or say that. Marcus a major 30 and one a major and T clubs in the more now by anymore. Now Chelsea almost asking price and I know and I say a friend or more of our Emma a clubs I would know and some numbers I could down by time now call. Now M50 and Bra make us say and Kosi and I juice closing here. You find the transfer market be beer and some number to me see. Now manager Fransa Pep Guardiola when him say as of Emre you better say now oya the pre-match conference am so can some p now later or some kodin komo am say Emre me catch you say Barca president one Porter as we be say place call e dia call Pep na wasra so the panacho say empo aya one season pa and as we Fransa Pep no e betimi aya adwuma ama Barcelona we be pe say on Pep no and some abaya adwuma be say dey si kwai enye wo coach club ya manioma koye emre bi atwam na so nei enye ntomo na omope na manfo busa na papa de atoa na omobusa na de atoa na ba ko busa no say opani yesi nso cheto ma yi ha na wono say ukobe semfie nwotwe 8 years any and some our Manchester City na anyabia no wo ye sure say o da so our energy because ade bia also ye bia no waye tight to be also to be an waje and be a motivation and energy no so the better so I'm a Man City manager no so obobo no sahala mo bogos no gum Kevin to bring mo bosha 3 points and no nkwaya enough for 7 energy ntiboa mo da bubu zo no atena wache and e bi obeba no obekọ nyina no manager no say the more na the boys no ba omo ni nkuko no mom wo nya win no nko de enom ama ne energy.
I don't know. I do the normal things. I try have incredible staff that support me and do the job that sometimes I'm tired to do after many years. I am more quality manager in terms of I select better the timing to work, the timing to disconnect a little bit, and the passion to still we are there. In 3 competitions, we won 2 titles this season. Still, we are in 3 competitions more. So, winning games helps you to have energy. When you are losing games, you are more tired. See the team then getting better and playing against difficult opponents like good Sompa.
Yes, I know I am some ref fanasa yourself Pep Guardiola. And I would tell say ya den in some Emma unim some kasana ya resa manager fanasa tena kabebe sansa one also our game about nyame ya duma na pre-match conference I was basu coach no watching Omoni Wolves and about to Obama him say den tena gatena say no pay and central for babusa and say anya bia watching Marcus Rashford available ama game no manager na beka ane because I'm make catch say they see come so ya Villa bano pay on some catch us almost say one bet me up one so him one quasebia mentally what be fit and I say be physically what just be abekoye na be psychologically or be sounder Manchester phone I already say akodane fan say Rashford almost we buan almost can say no mo bi anko esa na no kwan de doba and on nete agane nsani fa so na wo yo waya bia ne masa akoda no mo ya bi mo bia o si akan enso ama manjo me no kasai report to me say kan say akodana your friend Said Benrahma yenim so be call Leon na mom ene ene ye say I was a boy no what dey green light I'ma go ahead and I say you do go ahead no enso Emma Benrahma agent a 6 months loan option to buy around 12 million euros and a West Ham enso ebenya idea film Tottenham for say omunya Dominic Solanka womo so be fa ansana transfer market na close na se Tottenham fa Solanka when ana Bournemouth edene bebo season akai enso awie say so beti so ma hyego a setting Solanke and a Sajuma no na se Peter Crouch say and before the game Aston Villa lose na minim say Aston Villa plan oh anya win da have you so oh na just say mama boy see I just a chia kra and Peter Crouch say the Juna Emery ayan yomano what did he pass UEFA Champions League Aston Villa and so I side omo ebetimi a qualify.
Optimistic, you know, I played in an era sometimes where they could get on your back a little bit, but you know, if you've got a good team and they're working hard, they'll come with you and it becomes a fortress. And I think that's what has happened here. You know, the home form's been absolutely insane this season. You know, fantastic and loads to look forward to. And as you say, if there's an extra Champions League place for them, then why can't they get in it? They've proved that they have the ability to be in there. Oh, listen, they'll be feeling optimistic. You know,
Yes, I know I Aston Villa and come on and Peter Crouch at the buy and pay. What can I say when your time and money tip offer? Make a travel, sir, manager Frank Carlo Ancelotti was one I just saw Kwaku Diagro. What the full set, everybody a giant tough now. Latest, I mean, and say manager no, yes, before I'm in the Las Palmas, our way. And a quote to the catch on, sir, will declare operation 12 points. Now, I'm on last 4 matches, do a minimum, Newcastle Madrid, a drop even a single point. Starting from Las Palmas, next Getafe, Dodo aya Atletico Madrid, Ebiam aya Girona the smart catchers a Madrid for Swomo and a bear front and back against Girona Sanse. Apart from Madrid, Obianua, what to me Asha Girona, and until way aya squad probably one so ever to me I started and a game no and some Adiama club. Je found some Madrid that were prominent Getafe, and as a club I found say Getafe mom and some Adrian Ebaso, Metesa should Bellingham, ever start our medal or bum and watch Federico Valverde and so our medal Akotana, your fans are William Shuameni, Omunano, and so your boys are making a gamer, and also a Basono, woman some bet me start and I say Yamia Motinamum, and I said game Abaso boys, you know, and so I start Ama Club, your fan in Madrid, and Chabia coach, you know, the Premier Conference, Abaso. Now Luka Modric, yes, I baby one also. Woman say, oh, your fine wine, Yenim say number 10. Madrid at the tour say Mbappe, MJ, and now you say Modric, I say, one. Onyini saso be Saudi Arabia or 37 afa na okota jenom o say was I me nyini yesa me ko Saudi na me da so ahoode metimi abomado no so obza wo da abza wo bibi yaw na Mbappe be number 10 a wo so wo da so ahoode a wo betim dia bo Real Madrid nya bia kwa no Manchester no dodo saying that this season all started what be be playing mo brand there am say asoan sa onua pe aye contract extension and as a renewal amenei yes emperfo no so am say wo ma sha say edi nkomo kran ma fa so a wo mo so abejana amenako make a choice sa kodana your friend Erling Haaland anya prioritario Emma Bobo Kwefan say Madrid na say yes the entia boy no on your priority Emma Madrid and say Erling Haaland ajaba ko twane nsunu twana wo ene nanu ya yakoya award so and the FIFA best award goes to Lionel Messi. No be a bonus some na collect water frena no hey say we are sit here metiani ya bo manager of the year Pep Musia waje trouble and why you win Modiamano na trouble no on Messi and a J and to say manager of the year a didn't no Ellen Haaland Angie player of the year to the moment no Ebenja remembered up on 2018 and your Florentino president Chin Yama Luka Modric charge Ballon d'Or ahanti yes boy no our GDS say so bet me enya special and be individual aya awards be adia just what the Real Madrid. Entina kudana ni abre e wa bra me no kasa no wonom up Madrid no ba and no aye update e ba honsam no ye de amye for Barca Jeminya no say na Shadrack mame projection no we mo aye mranto betimi ya start aye Barca game no and some adama omo esansa coach no de why now from there Lewandowski no and Ferran Torres and Lamine Yamal no say ana Barca from squad no and some nobesiako na yesi wa bra coach no be kasa okono ene so na a shield our kata ebia boys no so a coach na announcement so okọ and just was you know to afraid your spotlight and damu players so bra yes a free no Barca player be twawata we betimi hye da yin yam se na dem hwie me kwato to papa so na manfo digu na ye deserve ya tam obi this year yes na free no supporters ne say we a player nya free na baba na masa wo mo fa won chow baku say as so be monitor boys ne pa na Xavier de baku e ne pa ne say yes o say of Pep so kind of sentence hey winning team no and found it to be piano ya ma feel to say yes sabi emfaso bia and some any so chesa no I said Xavier no kind no make sure say or repeating 9 times so gidi e ba se no winning faso and some other club ya fan say Barca and unti na boru no and some abaso kwa yes Xavier no de kokran we na shimbruta answer me be ka say de ko ne dem say one is Xavier want to kwada dada chesa ohunu kwa na bibi ya no and no cross coming among and some ya de update tab make sure say we are 3-point shootout are your Golden State Warriors Aurora your fan Steph Curry one and a man just NBA one about the man New York Liberty your fan Sabrina Ionescu we are your All-Star weekend and Daniel somewhere 17th of February All-Star weekend do so about way SM on Steph Curry about 3-pointer aya contest o say odum to time o be ojina no wo jina chess akanom edge o ba o de hwe no Ionescu ano no mam Steph Curry enie chess ono o to 10 8 betom Steph Curry so to 10 9 betom into obana bama All-Star weekend o say ma chess o mo temo MC o say na mo be kamasa Ionescu no ba bia de no be jina bia akanom from edge de ba anim wo de oni hwe masa enti abi na wo hwe bi awo TV ne so a ye dan ye ho aba real quick ya papa na abadwafo no aba beto aso ena anopai
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 1153. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC. Proudly a Fiakoko.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me ko mu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What nane relaxation aye de awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress eye papa eche yie eye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fanany na free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway.
Breaking news. Vodafone Ghana is becoming Telecel. Stay tuned.
Yemrana Yametuaso and so our studios live on Sompa TV, live on radio, live on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 FM. Nemom Mamina a year 21st clinic and pen for us Wama Darma Brebiano Wamokao and a day a year in Jume Day Ebana expert in sciatica a year 21st clinic get Janessa Minimia de and ano peso your banner so your bema Nemom Gemet me a catch on Sawopa Hoden na Debia Bomudin Ebesi Piasita na wanya hoden de akọ nyuma so awa bra onfachire nkobo ka bia de a bamode so be call 21st clinic kote se bia honam yo mra so honam dodo kakra eya bawo ana se bia memayo no abafuma 21st clinic say yen kan tro se bra na ya de bia e help bia no yen hwe na yen tu ase enso emawo afei aba no siatica ya ka tro se e free eye wo to ase e de ba eye chese wo siremu wachi ho e de fa wo nantu aba wo nantu e de asane e de aba wo 19 ono se emu twetwen ana se emu tutu asiatica no aye 21st clinic enso ana bebuama wade oho kama we amekan enye nkonya yie na mom yankese nu bna ene ye hahama na ye kabom ade ye adwuma ene wachi machine treatment awo ho body massage ye bi awasoe ho ye found eba no se ultramodern laboratory ana se ultramodern laboratory ene ultrasound scan nyina no so a 21st clinic enso aye bi awo ho abeko doctors and nurses no womanim enso tekama Kumasi Esha Overseas Junction omo ben Alpha Radio afei obuase fon so be call council quarters or a court junction and cry aye Domi market and sana sunyane fo no abobenya ye enkranza ye wo ho ana techiman and also branch baako enso wo ho 21st clinic ya no afre 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and as 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 not just say on the 21st clinic and Penfono and so and Casa Vodafone say omo amazing offer way a Vodafone cash now what the 5 Ghana cedis per now or recharge it now dial star 110 hasha Vodafone so benya bundle a wunya ni nyina no wo senya 200 minutes of talk time are valid for 1 week if you Vodafone wo network ne so eko any other network so a chese ni nyina no won so obetimi akom na afei won so wa recharge amanioma so aye fine and so adama aye Vodafone ana ebo amasa ne power and no and so etimi ababa odi anti ada so be call my Vodafone app no so anasa open so a wo betimi a dial star 110 hash na afei won so wo de ato aye Vodafone bando na wo de edu juma and no and some idea tia ye de emetie for and anopai Liberty conference ne ebeba so hye so ema me say nyame ya adoma 10th of February anopa no nsia na ya hyase e wo Jubilee Park na oman ne ya dubuache ana dwumadi esini sra so yayi e the free Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2 you say write the vision just say ye baba betonyum abompaye na yayi nyame aye sere bia nkonua nyina ne chese nioma akwakwa dana na afei diababe o ha wo si akwan ne nyina no so bekwa fa ho jim aye Saturday 10th February anopa no ndu anopa no nsia rather 6 a.m. anopa 6 o'clock na ya shase Minister Kwame Jedu no aye residence worshiper eba escape from Pon and so abeba anamebel otre and so awase Liberty conference February edition glory hallelujah and no and so aye say city a ye de ho nsem no de eba me ba my class aboard no mom our producer asema me clearing through ansana ya bana aba be din komo roke Apostle Jeffrey Michael Asarobod ana Bishop Atapoko omumie nyina no enso age omadwana de kan no say happy birthday ekwadiama ma Frida Edubuahin ono e wo Face of Grace Covenant Temple enti ma Frida Edubuahin our Face of Grace Covenant Temple ene eye wawoda na from Asori Man Reverend Evangelist Lord Kenya nyina say yamehwa woda pa nyame hwa na onye wakoma so ade no enso emfa ma eno eye ma Frida ede no na fei ohene ba Kebin so say happy birthday kwama na wife your friend Mrs. Ellen Afo US Maryland eho ana owo ene ayo birthday nti happy birthday to Mrs. Ellen Afo from ukunu ohene ba kwambra badu say odo pa nyame hwa na onton super enso engu o birthday yi enso eso eno Apostle good morning. Good morning. Nyame adom na so oh adom akọ bibia dey nyame asepa well Mike
yeah
na bibia fine
fancy nyame adom bibia kama
oh okay
I say apologies na ba what I want to achieve anyum no Boni mia manye woni na ramadri hwe se manye no ye Boni sa no moto no masa okay Boni mia manye woni na ramadri se manye no ye we blasters apology enunti na mabaze fa me boni cheme odo mi nye bi o menu mi hu so
and say the panel you more Mr. And say the panel you more.
Hey, apologies, lady. Okay. Good. So yenka janingum na yenshas ye AFCON diaries and ye twaso ne ahwe sene nkomo no enso ebesi akọ na yensha ne nso se ye the round of 16 games no ni na ba na wie ya CCA no ye rem na yakọ the quarter final stage of AFCON 2023 enti Shara Kadaroma oma the bracket after completion of a round of 16 stage. You know, these are the countries that qualify the quarter final. There's the last 8 teams standing. Now, saying this here, number 1, Cape Verde quarter final for the first time since 2013. Whoa. Number 2, Nigeria are qualified for the quarter final for the first time since 2019. Angola back quarter final for the first time since 2010. And Mali and so eba quarter final no for the first time since 2013. Ivory Coast eba quarter final ni bi for the first time since 2019, and DR Congo and so qualify for the quarter final for the first time since 2017. Guinea and they try to also qualify for the quarter final for the first time since 2015. Inti HSA 8 teams will make it the quarter final list no. Omumu bie ni wa the last edition no otumiko remu the last 8. None of the 8 teams are omuye present at the quarter final stage of the AFCON no. None of them were present in the quarter finals of the last edition of the AFCON. Now, notable amongst the absentees from the quarter final list no, defending champion Senegal.
Okay.
Yakava omo arrival. Enti esepata se omo so ye the biggest team omo free mu no. Yen cover omo departure. Enti Senegal for ne kono say ya na etia na so omo free ya musukro na omo twa ehia wo ho bo mu nsema ma omo na omo so ehira omo se ende bye bye na monko enti we no sugar no kodi se adwumadi we.
Okay.
Ya musukro.
2 time omo free.
Senegal for ne free ono na se obi e bo mu nsema omo na crepin dia tana na nka me penahwe. Once any bufu ipa after move free mu no.
Yes.
Can that drink church champagne for ni ade nti na me penanim na hwe bro mu kofie no, but me ya sugar say oh yes o tia camera ne de akowa na obi aka hey mon ami c'est la careful na so catch and say
attention
mon ami c'est la careful c'est na careful na so catch this e aseba now oh ya musukuro were you there? You knew sugar casama was wooden a chine. Eti sanity as was Senegal, you know. Yanko Morocco versus South Africa. And no natches a game never near natches in Sembe Brena Nekoso on social media. Reaction Nankasa, Ebisha say was stadium hall. Into Ricardo Barras coach a game not in the camera, let tell her kitty be. Akimi elbow penalty no. You share the reaction before the penalty kick and after the penalty kick amongst journalists are normal and to say it here. I didn't know about Carlos Alabanche.
Yes, Alabanche.
Alabanche. Eno Hakimi reaction. And the ma Hakimi say penalty. Ya dream who, but I think we have 2 reasons.
Hakimi diano. Ma we say Omako Koche Conte back at Inter Milan on Hakimi. Yeah, I will say
this will be a war park and penalty.
Yeah.
But we are trying to find a man and say penalty. I think we have 2 reasons now. The reason number 1, Shadrack Yanko Hakimi in X no. Say ya no so yeah way a movie on Netflix a friend Anikulapo. Na Anikulapo no magical powers or ba we ya na boa man nya magical powers no. Na de o hwe every bottle nim no ne powers no hwe egu. Enti almost Hakimi X no time okofa penalty na no so kofa Hakimi magic
no
hwe ni na egu from say kwa wa wosu no obcheda breaky bottle na no ma tokro no mu bie no wuro hwegu from interno na man say no na o say ni wie no ana Hakimi wife na the reaction so by now into opresi ana kokova sa de we ra o say Hakimi wife no otetani fie ho ohwendi ohwegu ya Hakimi bobo ana no ana reaction ni enti efe video no
Sompa Sports.
This is how the person of so set me do it and Hakimi wife no reaction no the course no e ma bibia so ye kama. Reason number 2 the ma Hakimi say no and so course was South Africa. Omo comedian bi wo ho. Your friend no Kabelo Mumakwe.
Okay.
Na Mumakwe ehwe game no penalty ni ba no so candles 4. Ana okofa omo wo broom bi wo ha omo de pam ahomone e de cast spell ya de. Enti Mumakwe de no so na chesa Hakimi wife ne kanche no so kanche nti e double jeopardy for Ashraf Hakimi. Yenti Mumakwe.
Big favor. Ogascore. Hakimu Kastori. Hakimu Kastori.
Hakimu Besai.
Williams. Suna Baba fan. Suna Baba fan. Suna Baba fan. Suna Baba fan. Bafana 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 Baba fan. Kastori.
Spiritual anointing. Wa anointed four corners of TV ni. Na ese be bia kimi beba born na fe bia TV ni screen be catcha no. E was a born say. To the encourage ase wa kimi so no say akimi wo and the wo be hu de beto chese born no be say no. Owie no call South Africa goalkeeper no say oh wo me sha wo den. Born no obeye hu bibi obe hwe akora no. Owie no say bafana and the dey be nyina ya mo dia. Enti we no aye comedian. Oye MC, oye events way or to me nyoma bebre. Into also the oye the boy South Africa mine Emma Hakimi say penalty.
There's a holy broom issue here.
Yeah. What's that na so for tell you super, especially omo frafita na omo the red bia bom sa no. Aye omo tell you so broom way. Na Morocco efrim awie no. What next? Yen sanka. Oh, North Africa, omo last hope any Morocco. Na eba ne say no Algeria for esri Morocco for. Enti yanko audience mountain so Algeria nkronkro ahodo wo so hwe we Morocco free mu no na hwe de omo ye o de enti sound Algeria kontra dia so Morocco free mu mu dia ba there's a driver one wa for be pon Fancy, we no air de course so e wo Algeria mountain so na yekobisa se adenti na mo yesa no mo say bibia wo ne nkire mu wasase so bibi besia eye bibi foforo bi na kokeka no ene massa reaction ne ba time Algeria for Mauritania for show mo free mu no yese Morocco for no osebo mo say ye kwofo na free mu we mo bo no mo nimbo say kai o ma Sompa pa Nessa Morocco for any nko a enti Morocco fans on reaction to Algeria film the any.
Oh, okay.
No, enya Morocco na ewini match o. Algeria na film no. Ana omo ye omo bye pam omo so mo free tournament ni. Ento omo so teya na omo hu se mo. South Africa for so dey ayemo. Ene omo so mo bye. So it was a response to Morocco for na dey omo sha ase. Na Morocco ni Algeria nya omo ntoko a. Western Sahara for se debi. Ye mama nko. Yes ye dey hu be jimbi. Into Western Sahara for mienu. No omo so omo twa omo. Now this is the explanation. Western Sahara no asase a ye twe ho man so Morocco for ni claim asase ni bi ana ye wo a political group so Western Sahara from SADR almost claim asase ni bi enti a disputed land enti I saw mo ni Morocco for ni in Canada enti we aba no Algeria for ye no o say ye twa fufuo mana tonkwan mu yeso ye de ho bajim enti awampam je ni any a Western Sahara yen ko hwe o fans me no so de o ye
Allah الوطن والمطار
iti we no almost home Morocco for bye football there but there is a political angle to this and also ma omo flag na ni Sudan any Palestine flag ne se pa but defenses ka krebi any woman similar although inti Western Sahara also trolling Morocco for exiting the AFCON no ani etisi social media so say there na on the streets of Twitter a man for dodo na so can about some of these developments on the AFCON. Number one, what's the correct prediction we scoreline be by on Ivory Coast game.
Okay, I said 1-1 Ivory Coast are progressing.
So obi be posted to Endra Homatch as at 3 a.m. which is in South Africa by 5 a.m. Obi posted South Africa by we need 2-0 and there's a prediction. Inti Bafana Kafuela.
Whoa.
And I say I dreamt of us winning 2-0 against Morocco. Check the time now, 3:39, which is in Ghana. But South Africa was only there 2 hours. Into more by 5:39. So, oh, that's sorry, no. I know be post here. Ne die so na e kapa nti me hwehwe no. Ma sending the DMs on reply me na me ne no business bia. Ya pese into one time na no so die na on ka bi mfankyere mudi kokonsa kura nkonkosi aga. Nipa ne kwa meka say na response na.
We be tia sorry na.
Yeah, na South Africa for no so share go no. Na omo eye the CR7 celebration. Ronaldo the AFCON no mbobi. Eden and Hobejim and Ronaldo bem and there's Ronaldo bem. Ni na say Mokwena pay homage to Ronaldo, and in some response, Ebeko di Aba Morocco for one na Portugal free World Cup. Morocco into no almost do justice for Ronaldo. Then Ghana ye baby ye free. And na born bia my win apology galore. Ye obi so trouble ye what Twitter. Or the on fan to so take back one ye say. Maka ho asem maka almost South Africa for any. No expensive kente. No $8.5 million budget, no winning bonus, no DND, just a dedicated team from South Africa who agreed to do a job without a penny till they get to the top. Yes, a Ghana. And so, Adjedia, neighbor fight so koso.
Sompa Sports.
What's the Algeria and Morocco? I mean, in North Africa. Good. Now, there is a neighbor fight ongoing. Yes, Tanzania for him, Kenya for no, or jubilate here. Morocco for free, Algeria for jubilate. Gambia for no se Germany apra Senegal free mo. Afe the Algeria for so Omania jese why mo na free Morocco for free. Then Ghana so ye train say Nigeria eso be den. Almost be free but Nigeria for no so omo ntwe da because omo ade omo train amapiano derby. One say CAF for no ko ball ahyekenyum bi amapiano abra South Africa for she go no. Na South Africa for ni di o matem senti abe debate who owns amapiano. South Africa for ne wo amapiano. Nigeria for no so afa no mo call the next level. Enti almost say Nigeria she Angola. Na South Africa she give Cape Verde. The next game no amapiano derby. Enti on AFCON diary fancy bye.
Wo Michael Asarebodu me da say me ba Bishop Atapoku but time ba empenfo say yenkoso na yenka say Mr. no e wadwa so Ghana mamu ade em say enye na babia ya to apete herbal shops and pharmaceutical shops ni nyina mo time ba Mr. e betu malaria na say one time afei wonuma to touch ramaso eyo no boys ni kodi go ba ntimi ni bia wadro no aye time heba me shafe ho na mren so ba ya bomode an so be pebi anomwa hospital ya wo pane awie wafa wonura awie kra na time heba me shabe cleansi wo system ni mu na afa prapra ntini ni mu ama ya debia suma ne ya debia siese bi obia no eno enso e time heba me sha ene ne capsules enso ebeboa time heba me sha no make out se bia nsansa gu wase so your ba ebia ne bema hia yawo ana wote anase bia nsuo eta gu basa pampen free ba no when nso enje ho a make am for time ba misha any capsules no amaw na chese wo so what me a cleanse one afi wado ho kama bema so nsansa gu bema ho eno so ebekọ obegina na so yi afi bema no ebegina so ama neoma so aye fire boost immune system ama fight e de tia nya de wa wodo ni nyina aye 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 now the time and for no and so and kasa Bishop ma bibia fine there
emu ye dey
Sompa Sports
yankwe me da sipie kwandem dey am obi akwa ba bi alaji betna sense ma mo kan ni amete me sheda na say me yi mani na me respond in appropriate time and yes good obi aso amade abedi obi ameji thank you said
Sompa Sports.
Media na mingi. Oh, masa. Ni bra about the okasa agronedi. So Thomas Tuchel let me say ohia a wing forward. By mini kankasa ohwe won ball no won ball na. The wing forward is quite integral to their play. Leroy Sani on the right, Serge Gnabry, Kingsley Coman on the right. And then they have an auxiliary playing through the middle. In recent times, Lewandowski is team the original number 9 target man. Sadio Mane Bayern, Sadio Mane, Leroy Sani, Serge Gnabry. Bayern Munich ekofa Thomas Tuchel baya omujitu mu say look so no munim say Lewandowski be kodia na o say nka ne Erling Haaland ne papa ka chom no also won jitum na nka won fa no o man ye nene asen ahwa ko nya say Bayern Munich ebe ko Ajax mama ka chom say look yes mo mumfa Steven Bergwijn and my dintia because so hwe mu team ma on the right hand side of the attack the first one benkum na ball and na benkum so ni fa na ball na benkum so na nifa nipa na nine nifa ball omo Gnabry and omo Coman and omo so young French international Matthias Still ono so a back red color to be ball on the left hand side name Kingsley Coman the bra and no na ma omo call Granada for no say look ya top Brian Zaragoza free yene wo agreement yene mo so agreement say omra in the summer no me started the season 2024-25 MI na emum ye ho akohia say
obeba
January ntim betima ye ho bibia man na akra ne bo ankasa ye 50 million euros eno mo si odabi ene mu tues kan bi nka mu tues kan bi ka ho e manaba ba me for no hwe no say player atatu akade de ntina say ye pene ni mo ni mu ya January a e was mo sa jinska akra no so your program man Brian Zaragoza is a young player. I feel no about the first match for the Spanish national team.
Yes.
Until your program man anko befa program num pre-season and no about be picky. And no Thomas Tuchel ka jam say look, se mu nya no sisi na mu ntimi first kan bi nkanwa. Monko Ajax na monko pe Steven Bergwijn e mami. Ajax captain ene Bergwijn. He's a proven player from Netherlands or the bar England, bar Tottenham, ni obeye nyina no. The agent, a friend Nathan Van Kooperen, ono na Bayern Munich for ni din komo, and he's admitted openly. Sompa Bayern Munich for ni din komo, so any din komo say, omunya Steven Bergwijn na omope. Nemum, yere mraka in the transfer window. Sene Ajax captain ni hwa. When the barber sha na yamon. Ajax ankasa so statistics ni
Sompa Sports.
Antonio Madani Ebra na Ajax ehwie no na PSV Eindhoven ene Santiago Jimenez mo omko enti Ajax ankasa na omo ye catch up so bu ja captain man no kwa onwa condition Ajax ekofa Abranti free Ajax Tottenham edene bae no asema mo catch wiase nyina ne say in the event he wants to leave say Steven Bergwijn na dream say obe free Ajax Amsterdam akọ team fofra Omwanye kra yesika omutuama Tottenham edegene that was 31.5 million euros.
Yeah.
Enti fakakra so daje Brian Zaragoza Bayern Munich atwe na umumuji di say ombetu 31.5 million euros bare minimum e dey for Steven Bergwijn every Ajax ana. Na in the event so munya Bergwijn every Ajax bisa won say why na be kwa replace no e wo Ajax so we ene mayen mu yaji di say the deal is such a complicated one. Into a heading, say, Ubitimi pull this deal off within this short period. Right now, 31st. A bedding. Sikasem no so is not too favorable. Nimum Niama Bayern Munich, and one could hear say, on my attacking forward, wing forward back, Kingsley Coman, ni prana.
Because now bring so best at 3 weeks.
Internet is and what could hear say, emergency replacement into a squad planning process and no and they are you know near a mammy GD say ombitimi akọ Granada for no be mas akọ bop no Manchester United jai omajai Facundo Pellistri say uncle loan ewo Granada no then Pellistri no right Brian Zaragoza left so then you get somebody who would go and play on the left for you now what tweak is Benko cross be the rim na lay off and as a well shoot to ball no emame that could soften their stance but agroya ye kan wasem nyina no mira sikagro amba we ye hwehwe indeed
31.2 million euros beyond buying rich January
no so now player now o kan wasem onko 6 months and 1 year with ACL
okay
until ye be resume April no oti anye ya na players no mo planning nyina no o masan aba now oh nipa omo na ye nifa omo ye wing forward so mbo benkum so no ba ku mienu miensa abro so 3 days omo be ball prum na adentina me mobi Mimbobi, and it becomes a problem for the coach.
Yeah.
2, Omunji coach
Sompa Sports.
Regardless of Christian friend, on a Jan Christian Driesen, almost statement on the bar about some Thomas Tuchel guy.
The first pay on.
By me, Omunji Nindi. And look, he was quite clear. Thomas Tuchel, the biggest problem ego. Open Tokwa.
German for yeah,
open Tokwa. I mean, I don't know. All Dortmund, it was a similar thing.
Yeah.
But maybe the many firma, who are the modern German managers now? Look, on the Chelsea Najino. Ninyami a Chelsea team no. Without that Champions League trophy at Chelsea, he is not an elite guy. Chelsea ne properly Thomas Tuchel and never elite status because already send na chaos. Lampard the Jumana na waja hono send na enye na Chelsea ni ndas will be na otimbe for omo and you mo share Real Madrid Manchester City against all the odds. It elevated him.
Some passport.
Look, we are a PSG on the leadership no. Dortmund, Michael Zorc mo, Watzke mo similarly. And at Bayern Munich, look, on function it say they gave him his first German title on a silver platter. He did not win. Dortmund dashed that trophy to them. Dortmund bought mines. So Dortmund share mines Adana. Bayern Munich could have lost the German title. When you're in now, was a stabilized team, no, Omama Hurricane. Wait me, I say for the first time, they have replaced Lewandowski properly.
Yeah.
And today, in their course with Chiria, Yenimoa, push Thomas Tuchel away from Borussia Dortmund. Sorry, Bayern Munich. This is the biggest team on the land. But then again, it's like that. Moving abroad is something that continues to attract me. And Spain has an extraordinary league. From my point of view, and based on my experience working with Spanish players, they are characterized by enormous self-confidence. No problem. Barcelona Jumana and all the shoes. But we had the institution of Bayern Munich, FC Hollywood. Look, no matter what I do, not least, why opinions I have with the Omofaso, Ebra Lewandowski, Efia, Ako Barcelona. But then it is what it is. There is a mess behind the scenes. But clearly, Thomas Tuchel, any Bayern Munich, I need of a wing forward because of injury situation.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Xabi Alonso Ninsem. It's quite complicated. Onruho.
Alonso.
Look, let's set the record straight. Onruho. He is a promising manager. That is it. Xabi Alonso from Real Sociedad, Eba Bayer Leverkusen. Onye nwa so mrusu.
Nti say deserve more than Abia.
Yeah. Okay. My biggest peril, Jeff, that Portuguese coach, Alba Chelsea from Porto. Villas-Boas. See, Ubia gate crasher system now. He was it. The other Falcao Muye or Porto.
Yeah.
He translated it to Europe.
How come?
Mira, Oye Nejuma Ye,
some passports.
I still couldn't cut it at the very top. When it mattered most, Esnubuku ne kra. Intino, untimi mfa Villas-Boas ne kra. Enkoma Xabi Alonso. They mo hwe adwuma o maye ansa na omoko the next step to the top club now. Villas-Boas was miles ahead. And he was a revolutionary. Open so Xabi Alonso afi no usua adwuma. Nya daje na hwe omuni Roma Europa League matches no mo ball. I think it was last season or last 2 seasons, one of them. Jose Mourinho chichire na ankasa say look, mini yemaba shemi. He's an innovative guy, he's a bright young coach. Everybody is loving the idea. Ye boni di o table like a CSO. Senyesa Ancelotti extended ya. Nka ne ye boni di o Real Madrid adwuma.
Yeah.
Jurgen Klopp call. Ye boni di o was your hot favorite. Yes, by Munich, Thomas Tuchel kwa, he could be the guy. Adwuma kesi ye bi e wo wiase dia Manchester United jata akwaya o met e die na waye. It is the promise of what he could do in the future. And no dey push obi for Alonso. Sa Alonso ba team mu a, you ready say no be mistakes abom because afei na osua adwuma.
Rather than be more so from perspective, say Arsenal for to Jacques Amotochne or Fag Grimaldo Monet, Jeremy from Pomotia Quack, I say, and should I big boys giddy, but Odomo ye Jumana, Bemo Fu say be a took a current me or buying.
I'll find the guy again. On the girl be a friend of Velma. Now, Omura officer.
Sompa Sports.
Mana team we your modiano. A drug company buyer. Omuyendro. They have a big inscription. Time now we develop on the office on. Just sure say they have it in German. We allow you to make all the mistakes in life.
Okay.
But eventually we will get there. And you provide the right solution, one you will never regret.
Because the first season,
Bayer Leverkusen, Hano, Grimaldo, Akodenim, Jeremy Frimpong, Kowenim, Odion Kusunu, Uraha, Tapsoba, Shaha, Jonathan Ta,
Sompa Sports.
But when you step up, it is unforgivable. And all the mistakes now punished very well. And nothing will be all penny biano here director of football or background. If you don't have the right director of football, also be not the Liverpool case. Jurgen Klopp is leaving Liverpool because of health issues. About one person Becker. Jurgen Klopp never about the Nebewa Ulano. Nebana or a grandfather now. On one health is obi health once and so the own team in Coca and Nunti and on your markets was wrong. On manning conon and yes, in the next 2 years, the pressure of this job could end up killing him. Unyada just man Busia, Jurgen Klopp this season has had a laid back approach. He's only involved with the football on match days or a day before match day. Liverpool preseason on this season, I'm not sure template, no. But he didn't supervise it. Andreas Kronmeier, any Pep Linders, they were heavily hands-on. Now they say Victor Matos, Liverpool elite talent development coach, not the Emano. But when it comes to the match day, no aba. So a lot is happening behind the scenes. But when you're there, you don't come about thing. And then I necessitated there looking for a successor. Look, it's going to be a thorough search. You see, Xabi Alonso, the hot favorite now.
Yeah.
But Liverpool are looking for the right sporting director before they even approach that thing. Because when you're sporting director, Papa, and I make kind say, Liverpool, omunyanye club-to-club contact with West Ham. But on my personal contact with Tim Stuyton, West Ham sporting director, no, because Tim Stuyton on the far, Xabi Alonso Ijuma, or Leverkusen. Into some Xabi Alonso there, then they need the man who would ground him. It's a complex case that would evolve over the period of time. Because with time, I'm sure everything is going to be fine. Okay, born and then you
aye.
Until some of neighbor ball.
Kwambiaso.
815 no. Pay ball 10 in the park is only bar.
Watch the end of the day, watch in big games. One shouldn't to say be a watch reaction, but to do big matches now. Playing is done.
And then none of you will say Danny.
I bet Danny.
I will say Danny because the two teams involved, no, is for me it's about the setup. Why? How can two clubs in last 11 games they won't put a draw? That is the longest draw sequence involving two top tier teams in English football history. That beside you man I feel says sir. I was about to share heavily. Game no Liverpool are have not won in their last 6 games against Chelsea. Or draw 5 or lose 1.
Yeah, no.
Look, for all the talk, this game has always been draw. Genuinely, I feel that something should change. Now, the key indicators in the game, the first key indicator is Kopama. Okay. Say you know about 7 games in the past, including 2 cup finals in on-board draw. No. And also Bishe. Why? Kopama since October 7th, Jeff Osher in the first goal in the Premier League, no, he scored 9 goals. Since then, only Salah has scored more than him.
Oh yeah, Jumapa.
You get it. So clearly, this is somebody who could change a game for them tonight when he's at it. Because Nipana or yeah, they're saying no, it's not even there. Bobi. Until if there is an attacker in form, I was a Madrid game since October 7. It's Cole Palmer. And he's shown with his touch, skill, guile, and ability to find the right pass. And then the right goals at the right time for Chelsea. Especially that goal he scored against Manchester United. So this is somebody who is ready for the big gig. Away from him, another person who is playing well, but has gone under the radar, Caicedo.
Okay.
He's playing very well, but it's gone at...
I didn't know.
Yeah. Because the expectation is high.
Sompa Sports.
Chelsea are looking to rival something they did last year, 2022. Between September and October, almost winning 4 consecutive games. If they win tonight, they've won 4 consecutive games. So this is a club in form. Now, the party atmosphere, and you would have to spoil the atmosphere. If Chelsea play the atmosphere, Liverpool beat match on 4. Look, play your game, kill the atmosphere, and can't be. Go and play ball game. Say they win Sieno. I've read a couple of news articles and I've listened to Pochettino also that they should go and play. They are coming to play the game. There is no party. So what are Liverpool in Norwich Nibino? There was nothing like party, even though it was an FA Cup match. Say where April, early May. So Liverpool are looking to win the title for Jurgen Klopp. Ni departure. Why Chelsea should be confident in their abilities tonight is that team behind where Premier League ni more. Or match teams on more top more than Chelsea.
Sompa Sports.
18 times. Say a bobo, and then they one other top. Now only Chelsea, but Chelsea are shown 18 times, and they are playing against the top team in the Premier League. So it should give them verve. So what I say, it should give them panache. Look, we have come to play our game, and tonight, 2 things that will decide this game: the individual's ability to go for it. Look, Chelsea defenses lapses no more with Sean. One of the first things they should do is to make sure that space where the lapses happen, Jota is not close. Just as Cole Palmer is critical at the other end, Diogo Jota has shown that nobody finishes better in that Liverpool team than him. I feel that those two are going to decide the game. Double chance Liverpool tonight.
Okay. Well, Bishop Medase, I'm a bar apostle Jeffrey Asare ho na Royal Foam. Royal Foam essay yem phantom when him say bomodian so beje omo mattress ni bi eye adwuma pa so be ye adwuma dam ni nyina na obekwa kwadru fie udware anwumre wi so mattress de obeda so ye dware aha nti ya mu dware na dwu na okwa akoda hwe se mattress na eye Royal Foam no ana eboa ema chese otimi daye obuo no ma beda so ya no pa na honam ya o ya otese nkase no mu wachiri bremo wonnom penimu ni chese ojonko emu tutu a eye mattress a woda so ntia enti ya bomodian so be papa ne bia to school for ebenya almost student mattress afei ya wo king size e wo queen size ope eye inches ni nyina bi nso ato Royal Foam MLB ama won so wanya bia to na wadana ho ama ni pedua no so agena ho miye asokware mampon ya bia e ultra modern showroom e wo ho kwa na kwajo de ana so betimi a place u call omo be bo ama won saka mattress bia wo pe bia 0202 271-000 0202-271-000 Royal Foam or say rest assured Apostle
Boko there.
Na me adom na
game no dey more interesting ti.
Yeah, match no say na AFCON be no match be no.
Me hwe pa more interesting.
Okay. Sompa no be fair la pa na dwi. No be fair la.
Why?
Tete for no me me dege and number dege pa.
Oh, once have ball dey nya kasa bebre. Na bon e bon we. E bon we.
Anfield.
Okay.
Also bi ahye o.
Okay.
League obi ahye o.
Anadwi.
And Liverpool Grams or lose 1 match all season.
Now, digi one for that. Digi one for. Now, first round, understand what we move the gear.
Saturday after the match team.
And when say we. Yemi okra. Ba kese match kese bia ya bia. Yene Liverpool yejao. City yejao. Arsenal kwa de che.
Ninja dan beka jo say osasala tuam kan. So much in the first 30 minutes na train
Sompa Sports.
Now, fancy a chair TV that for. And now game a course in the evening between South Africa and Morocco. Also Morocco, the expectation of Morocco is because of the World Cup. Brian Kofouri visit Morocco when it comes to African continent performance has been very poor. Since this is that they won against Guinea, very poor. But because on your Wali Rugagi any member ekoye World Cup nanti, man Kofouri nya GD so say Oma timi akoye bibi srunkwa ngwadi Africa obi anye bida. Ebia na feed ombetimi a translate that World Cup semi-final excellent performance into the African Cup of Nations. But okay, say against DRC, me can say I don't trust this Moroccan team until I see them against DRC. Now, because of I want any boy born is different from the World Cup.
Because I'm supposed not to catch you before game. No, said Hugo Bruce Ebeka say World Cup the more boy, but we AFCON.
Yes, he's right.
There was a message to Morocco for.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the AFCON is a different ball game.
Sompa Sports.
Near Dean, Yahon Dean, and Nibra, the boy with skill, different from Abro football, but which Morocco are very good at.
Yes.
Now, Hugo Bruce, the reason why me is one of the coaches a basse, a cancer coach at Abia. Mijinu what he did on African continent with Cameroon in 2017. Now, for a coach to pick average players in 2017, average in the sense that almost no exceptional player, even Benjamin Mukonjo, captain, was really not exceptional. And maybe Vincent Abaka, but pick virtually average players and met almighty Egypt.
Yeah.
And beat them and won the cup. I mean, he made sure that the so-called big boys from Onana to a friend is saying, Joe Matip, he dropped them because they were not willing to come and be delaying in them. And of our team are the West team that have won the cup for Cameroon, the fifth one, the West among the four away or defy all odds. However, as African national team, no. In some bibri omokaye and a far away on found on
some for pa.
Look, when he announced the squad at MDD, coach was born with you white who dream you when you do all kinds of things.
Especially one for Lee Foster.
Yeah, even Marco Feng. Because they think that he's a young emerging top player until a soccer team, no. But this man has proven once again, say, undo baby, but I'm saying that the state or the national team, Ankasano, South African is saying what they say. Now coming up against mighty Morocco was a big deal. But he did not only prove a point, but a masterful display against Morocco tactically. I mean, Ochre said, Wale Rugagi, why are the cup champion? What Bupito there? By me, we need Pito. Has so much the West Wind de Kakra. Apart from Obeka said Hakim Ziyech and Sofiane Boufal who didn't start. So they say because that is on any day that's their front three. Sofiane Boufal on the left, Ziyech on the right, and then Nasri on front three. So now say because of injury, that is the reason why that did not happen. And see Obeka said on your problem Kakra because Abde Azezuli, Adil, on any day will not start in their lineup. But that is why you need quality depth on the bench anyway. Now, say Enra, how are South Africa porno a confident and determined game? And it's the trademark of Hugo Bruce. The team Bia Wafa Bia, the fan said team Wafa in Cameroon, and then team we. Or man players nyajide so obetimi hwan na eboroko obetimi oni omu yepe obetimi on the field of play. He takes that pressure off you. And Tebo and after the match he was saying the same thing. Now to some few incidents. Sure. Tebo, it takes confident player playing against a team like Morocco. Confident. Oh, Tebo ball now, or boy, are bouncing in front of Yasin Bono. That, yes, we are an excellent strike. Now, look, Yasin Bono is a very good goalkeeper. Ball no bouncing on the name.
So okay, a bounce or now keepers space kakrabi o man ka be
keepers be ball we be shom.
Yeah. And a bounce na
bounce on the
batty free.
Yes. And he showed the quality that keeper no be that, but also the confidence of the South African players. Yeah. What is here? And don't forget, so no outside trademark he playing for Amadou Sanders, or a free kick expert, or a very good dead ball situation, long drives. That's the ball's trademark for you. Then, Adil, I thought that he should have done better. A player would do level ball, Leverkusen, choosing between favorable and unfavorable foot. When you have an opportunity like this, you make it count. What he has here, and I was disappointed because Debbie Amika said, "Your players Bobo Amononia moment when show. I mean, look. This should have been a goal.
Or wasteful in front of goal.
Left, right. He wanted to win the right. Listen, where? So hit it. And look, how many acres of space do you need like this? And this one is not a coach matter. A player's indecision. This is an opportunity you should have buried. One buried the opportunity. Now you mean, but Azedin Unai, I think World Cup no call by I can't trim to do. You know a necessary pass not the man, no. How on earth could you miss such a chance? How about? Wait. You have all time, space. Oh, how many who expected this again? So even though we are talking about South Africa, they've called it down well. Morocco had a lot of chances to kill the game. And these are top players who are playing at the World Cup at this level. They disappointed the team. Now, referee Mahmoud Ishmael Mahmoud, meaning Kulisi Mudau, the tackle. I don't know why the tackle at the
Sompa Sports.
I don't get it. Me who tackle Ben Bium na SOG penalty.
Penalty
no. That was very clear, and then our referee was even saying here. I don't see meaning referee what was going through his mind, but that tackle was bad. And to say Kulisi na or yeah not in his go to expecting say referee no better be unfortunately it's penalty. But the moment once again this young man called Temba Swane. Debbie Amikano said he is the brain about Mamadou Sanders. When he formed there, he's deadly.
Last 2 seasons, not J player of the season, midfielder of the season, or league in the month.
This boy, 2016, he was part of the team that won the Cup Champions League.
So we look at players who hire my
He has the brain, he's intelligent, he has vision, and his awareness and position is brilliant. Here, pass now, or the evidence Makopa. Now, Niamika, but as a din Unai, the same thing. Evidence Makopa. Here, or the unfavorable foot in the ball. Left. Or right. But the pass from Temba. And then, watch. He made sure. Also, Obi anybody kakra. The pass, this is the pass from Temba. Now, Temba to him. Then, fantastic. He watched the run of the goalkeeper. And don't forget, this is a player from Orlando, a young player coming up against a top-class goalkeeper, Bono, Yasin Bono. And on US keeper no binding man or the foul. That is a clinical and confident finish. Now throughout the game, no player no and that is why sometimes you don't understand coaches not to criticize for nothing. Because in the game, he is the most prolific striker they have, the trusted one. And watch Google Brisbane. Edebia evidence Makopa. Oyadi evidence Makopa. Because on himself, Mrebeba. Or Hiana. Obe Jumano. Or Mreba, Ejumano so and simple. He did it so well. And Yasin Boone, don't blame him. Look, how I saw also Onobayano. She said, but unfortunately, the striker was intelligent and made sure goalkeeper, and only weakness was Oba in the name and Odi Esho. That was a top class finish from him. And for me, the second goal, and before the second goal, Sofiane Amrabat, Man United for a problem. The red card incident, I think referee no Bonabaso because where he was at the time, what he saw, or to say a second yellow, but of course VR no friend, no. Then because he was denying an obvious goal scoring opportunity, and he had to give the straight red. In any case, anything VR no in the first place. Now that was Tebo Mokoena. Yes. Now Nyamika when he drives forward, yes, in advanced position is dangerous. Now the trademark now, Otai or Sander, that is what
free kick.
Yeah. And it's once again because it's against a top goalkeeper where the goalkeeper pick spot no pick here no and why no share no
triangle
where Kami Oliver Kani Luis Dalima 2002 World Cup
on says box no edge on massa and baby a bono so than a one or so the better.
Yes, that's once again the key point is the confidence. So who are coming that you can do anything. Hey, yes. On my Yasimbono Luki ordinary. And for me, the most important thing, actually, about Hakimi, Namotobi Invala, or a brilliant, intelligent, hardworking, cool-head centre back for Sanders. But I thought it'd be even this is a Sanders, 3 penalties against Sanders or no? Or Bobo na do maybe na bibi say or no maybe minimum, and because the Simon by and defensively it's bad to do that because first of all, if I so be an issue, who the yeding that led to the penalty. Ashaba came in the end a chance and Rebecca. But what this man has done, Bruce, who your coach, you learn me. They say coach performance good man. So I say. Almost dear coach almost dear free AFCON because almost because you see you have to be a proper coach with your sorter or a sort to me defy your so-called employers.
I hold a question and come back with answer.
When you ask me to
say Obefa coach for national team one only Safa Benya only the journalist Ebenya also say omo criticize too or say players need to come up local league need do it's about time one say omo ko Europe ko bobo na sinjo for dinner tell no about reply into yes anu ma we nyina area I mean say they know na mo international and the results no dey mamo no
because it's a coach worth his salt and I said well the average players are just cup of nations
some passports
and in and what he has done was what Deboski did Deboski yes, for the World Cup 2010. You see, Deboski was smart enough to know that the team that was doing very well, our players said dominated. It was Barca. He needed to make sure that he played the philosophy that suit those players. I don't know. There's one World Cup Spain, one Ebonidi, only Ebonidi. That's what it's done. The Sundowns, the South African team, Uyi Shefelo Sitoli, Aoni Tebo Mokoena, Ebo as the double pivot now. Uyi or no evidence or no Tendola or Portuguese second division. Then we evidence Makopa, Orlando Pirates. Every Odoma. Ronald Williams, who for me I've always thought was one of the best goalkeepers, and we have 4 top class save for them. Okay. Ronald Williams, Sundowns. Kulisi Muda Ryback, Sundowns. Aubrey Modiba, Sundowns. Grant Kekena, centre back, and then Nyomudi Bande New Bandeniti. Sundowns, Motobo Invala, Sundowns, Tebo Mokoena, Sundowns, Tapelo Moreno, Sundowns. Now Tapelo Moreno, that role all born right, he's a fullback. All boss I don't know. Rulani Mokoena using several against Ali. He using an African football, he using that position. So Uwacha Pesitao Ali. Until sure it is dominated, and then when he's making stuff to you see this substitution for one. One says Akele Lepasa, Pirate Beba. For the Benue. So its consistent thing is that. Now, what that means is that majority of the team is built this team around a teamer who is doing very well, is the best team on the African continent now, is Mamelodi Sundowns. And to just a few tweak, and to share the Boho, Temba, Omu Wantia, Sebi Oma Bodada. Jella Joseph, I think if you fast will get born Nigeria or Hano. So, who guys are giving? So, kudos to him. he's shown mastery and guts and courage.
Okay.
Coach, so for me, I think he's done a great job. And let's see what happens next. The quarterfinals.
Okay.
So far there, he's shown Nema coach says Somusuya.
Apostle Medase. Okay.
Papa there. So coach Papa.
Mate, amofa kra muntua. Ti yankwa na fe yanko yenim na Fibo Ventures as I say omo say brand beje omo product ni bi. Na Fibo Ventures are the toothbrushes and the paste aba. Ajaba ko no say abusuan chem fanti ma me ne kwadwa so ana say bia papa ne kwadwa so a wo je nkwada ne de Ashford Prince and Ashford aye princess e de ama wo nkwada no e ma na memu ano na wo je Ashford executive evidence afa friendly and a galaxy ni nyina no aye toothbrushes abe yusu e de atwu se na no aye brush e bia no den kakra se si pa wo de no wo benya de ano omren so on me wura wo se achi chese yi kokonene no yi nam ne numpene kase na I say so sinimu ema chese wonum etem wonum ye hwam na Afri Fresh aye toothpaste no aye herbal one eno nti emse no so boawo ema chese wonum etoso kama fei get clear toothpaste no so no na diaba allo toothpaste ewo ho ana peppermint toothpaste no so be yusu e dia brushe wo teeth ebema wo sen no aye fita kama na sama wonum so adawo ema wo tetchoma so nya wonyono ana wo kase ni pam so ade akukudro ena ekɔ ni pemesansa odi fibo wo mo aye peppermint toothpaste anasa allo anasa get clear Afri Fresh ni nyina no ana atwi wo sen pomodian so be contact wo na wajibi atu aton wo nya mfa so anasa open so a de wan kasa easy e wo fie no aye 0241 545 646 0241 545 646 and I say 0200 600 934 0200 600 934 wo yam komra ye ba na luta ade yaba berem e wo fie yaba
Hey sewa me hu wacho me na no me bisa e kra so kwa brochu
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otwedi mu sa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwanti wire for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visit in so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese otu kwan ko ye adwuma so obetimi de wa ko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a kwai Kumasi as a labor runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Police Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamishe time HH heba Mr. Bina unumi enye wa tadropa eya dro se emani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwoti ayare entwen yare ansan wa kwakoto fire wadro nanom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebechaso wonwa and the time HH heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyenye mfrisia dumienu enumbi wo pinfo ene oba wo makranufo enso enumbi time HH heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dudu na mu
so pedudu to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH heba Mr. Eyedro say FDA adi ejwadie nkratwe atum
the one that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there that's evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types share abena dey amokumi Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy what dey na ira no so Ashford Evident media yin so Ashford Executive and na media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush card
My dear, as for toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me row dodomi ye drani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evidence, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. Etu phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so honey.
If I show brother, me shot your bag.
Brother, and not to give.
What time about me share the city back? We know me say.
Bra, said the time about Mister. It's just Jimmy here for a year about
really, no sister feeling na.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Mister Wadansia. We are singing now about Semenka. It's some malaria. What do any time about Mister?
And you go, you know what I want to me any deal. What do any time about Mister? A drink and your mama or bar waffle through. You want my badam for. Any apada when you feel to me, and some other time about Mr. Draven. Just a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, who a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be at a woman. Women be at all over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA AG a crossway at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with free play Friday and swipe bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you might see.
Enipa ba ko pe ene pama de hyewa obiasia wa osanhwe obiemu onua ne bafo polo wasua nkasa ene odi nimdie no nso yi adwuma eni so odwi style eto ho a eda ho a na ehome bafo polo no odi Africa print textiles ene pam na de bia enti opam Africa print polo shirts, round neck shirts, golf shirts, v-neck shirts, ene fi opam atufo betuko go on store ene boutiques enti so wo ye adwuma betu bi cotton na on tisoma fan clubs, schools, unions, and your group Pia. Muhia Dodono, Edema members, no, and students, no, Mumra, Monso, Mope Friday wear, Edema workers, Battle Polo, I came our gold package, and on Tadano Esemo Dium, silver package, Esemo Dunum, and a bronze, and so Semu do, or yet delivery, Echo Mama Fanabe, Pia, Battle Polo and Tadano, so yes, Pia, now Pamama, and remember, Battle Polo, and Kumasa and Map of things, and Tassing of what's telephone 0249 600 789 and 0599 899 919 and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so at Bafu Polo. Me say, don't say Bafu Polo dia. Oh, and you now want to say
Vodafone Ghana, Essa Ako Telecel.
Yemre yebefie na Luther ede yerem enso ewofie but Boris B chicken BBC eno no Boris B adwuma ene enso dawfa na Wednesday obekwa na afei wakwa kwachoje ede free Boris B enso ye ban chicken chesa akukọ yanka se mamu Ghana de ne bi papa senuanum kramofo na to mo boase aye ama cheso bia timi eyusu bi ewofie enfon eno som utimi eyusu Boris B enso akukọ ne bi ere check how far mom wo pretty chop ba fe mo amone restaurant ene mo nso amotonton chese nuane ewo kwan ho afe fried rice wono nyina no se mo pa akukọ edimu dwuma ye kama Boris B dia ne ye kamfo ede amamo full chicken ubenya chese thai afe eba na chicken rings eba na se gizzard ene chese akukọ no layers ni nyina no nsa count here ede everywhere and found do a wo pe bi nso chese ahira ne kama akyɛ sɛ mema ɛmoa no nso wɔ fie no nso no wobɛnya bi nso atɔ dodo bi a bɛsɛ ɔtɔ bi a wo nsa bɛka wopɛ bi atu akɔtɔn a wɔbɛtɔn ama ana wopɛ no baako ne mmienu bi nso ɛde akɔ fie akɔ akɔyɛ aduane nso abɛnya bi ɛwɔ Boris B asoɛyɛ na Santase High Street no mu anasɛ Bantama High Street no mu mom Bantama hɔ no ne ɛyɛ press bi asɔre di animhwɛ afei Santase runabout wɔne unit oil ne di animhwɛ na asewa nso no wɔ market hɔ no ma pɛ Poku Trading ɛwɔ Adum Shell ɛwɔ Body Junction obɛnya no ana SG Mall a kyɛsɛ no so top high ɛwɔ nso nsa bɛka Boris B 0544 445453 0544 445453 na on the Boris B and so enkasa na meka wo sɛ ɔdɔ so me mu dwumadie no ɛyɛ dwumadi a kyɛ sɛ ɛde ma yɛ wada biara ne yɛtɛ ne sɛ we yɛ Vows Day and so deɛ ntihyɛ no nso ma me sɛ sɛ ɔdɔ so me mu mpanfoɔ se mo a motie dwumadie no mu a mo monitor dwumadie no nyinaa no deɛ hia no sɛ ɔru ne ɔdɔfo ɛbɛsa na ma record mo sa to a nice and romantic tune na ma make a short video no asende e dey akwa WhatsApp number me dey be ma wi enya video so ye no chinchin bia ntebia wono girlfriend a che so tim sem matari mo ache no achu ne wife ni wakodompia bi e bia ogigeme ngu bi Vows Day eba entimi enwum daf ma ye kama na che so ma mu video be 45 seconds no WhatsApp e dey akọ number 0278 369494 0278 369494 45 seconds video wow video ebe kama pano ye be ni live also Sompa TV so na fe yama dwumadie no so aye kama enti koso na monitor dwumadie na me chaos odo so me mu dwumadie no eno ana chese chaos Vows Day special edition dia no ana ye day eno enso ade bro yes na luta bibia aye kama de
o fancy nyamiatum na so
kakra kai nyamiatum bibia aye fine
na yem breaki and somehow do a yabo no down na yen touching it down farmer mu afise mu na yen shase emfree eye afia e wo mu ya 6 March yen se Ghana ye ya 4 fita ye di ye Independence Day na me no ka say 5th March a day before Ghana ye Independence Day Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium Asante Kotoko any ASEC Mimosa ebebo friendly game me ba twa mu ntina mu nhyɛ so eso emfama me Asante Kotoko any ASEC Mimosa ebebo friendly game on the 5th March Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium na game no take it no obi abekwa be free ni na say Ghana ye mark independence no enu nti Ghana man its excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo ensa ehase na sa game no ye benya 2 years of state ebeto be grace occasion no am a bia so to fine enu e de dawa ye di emam on the 5th of March na Kotoko ase no ye mfama say Richmond Lamte onso ko Black Stars camp AFCON no na so far no am the 20 it's a Libyan club but show interest last week and another Libyan club I from Al Nassr Benghazi so at the official bid Ebra Santi Kotoko so mnyanomo peno so far ka 4 months na the contract no Kotoko no so abana wiye no free Richmond Lamte na so ebe dimamo na MTN FA Cup round of 16 ade so far draw net me up na Venus no any date ni say in the city Roma Saturday 17 February and Roma Bofo Kwatano wa Power FC Sunwa Coronation Park 3 p.m. and I said game no ebeba so Akwabu so Young Madrid and Bechem United and so Saturday 17 February and also no Clay Park and a game to 3 p.m. Legon Cities and FC Nania our Theatre of Dreams Dew and also a Saturday corner 17 February and a beto 3 p.m. Now Sunday no and no 18 February and no Swatraman FC and Brekum Chelsea Nana Kona Mansa Park Obechem and you 3 p.m. Kerala FC Ebo Kumasi Asante Kotoko Aliu Mama Stadium and you 3 p.m. and a Dreams FC and Kofodia Sympathy and also no Theatre of Dreams in Betoja and you 3 p.m. and Elmina Sharks and Sky FC Intum Sports Complex and you 3 p.m. and around Soccer Intellectuals and United FC Jumako Assassin Park and a game no ebetimi atoja and your sofa MTN FA Cup round of 16 Venus any date no and my young juma eso edamamo na yawo Ghana ye Premier League clubs no aso no bekaya afia mu yabo outstanding Premier League game bi etoja on the 3rd of January and etoja Aliu Mama Stadium of Tamale na Real Tamale United and Medema and the epem so na a match day 3 because of some Medema Esiaka Africa and Tikembe outstanding na sa game no and our Kopema Ghana Football Association and paying for I just say no me sisi wago pramano so mom tutu so no ma ebo match commissioner no and paying for quarter say omo the charges be about Real Tamale United RTU omo mom kwasi china eso ombetuma respond to the charge na say enetie upema update no and paying for Real Tamale United have been charged with a breach of Section 16 of the GFA Disciplinary Code 2019 following their match day 3 Ghana Premier League fixture against Medema SC on 3rd January 2024. It is alleged that Real Tamale United failed to ensure the safety of the match commissioner and their supporters behaved inappropriately. Real Tamale United have until Thursday 1 February 2024 to respond to the charge and no so far the Omudaba from the Ghana Football Association regulatory actions are Omudaba eso enono na yengam na mfantu anem as All African Games the 13th edition no Ghana ye hosti na ebesha on Friday 8th March na abana 23rd March eso ewo Ghana na the state of Boteman Sports Complex Nana Akufo-Addo Saso na Sports Minister Honorable Yusuf Mustafa no Ogrefen Bobie adwumademo ye bi so far drubam ni eto ayampia ena yenye krado se come say Botema Sports Complex omosi enya wie job na kaka na edan empanfo di no maguna kwamu ese bia betwa kama otwa so far said they no am touching it down edema wo se ekina opem Sofitel Hotel ewo Abidjan ena campaign for betwa draw am a bear final nyame pa next on the 8th of March 2024 and a 13th edition of the African Games ebetima to Ghana and no Eddie Dawa yet the Emma the state of Boteman Sports Complex and a Etragu Kama no na mami fan to name as a Black Stars a chopa de or my say oba na yase guno oba wo 40 mentemo de biase meme fan no patch one ye de bian after the AFCON so mo patch one ye obeda sorry na we aba and no goalkeeper Richard Ofori at the chopa by and net de anopa bi to anim ese osahene a wo di Black Stars anim Andre Dede Ayu and a de a chopa ba na chopa no baby Ghana for your question mark on remember yente Dede chopa poor performance for AFCON after yente no dituga.
Hi everyone. These past days has been very difficult days for every Ghanaian football fan and myself. I would like to apologize for the results in the AFCON that we just exited. We know that we should have done better, that we should have brought better results to the nation. As the captain of the squad, I take full responsibility for what happened on the pitch, for the playing body. We should have done better. We should have made sure that we bring results to our nation. But in football, these are things that happened. These are things that make you stronger, and what doesn't kill you always make you become a stronger person individually and collectively. We are Ghana, and everybody that knows me knows that I'm never going to give up, meaning we are never going to give up. We are going to rise and shine again, and we are going to do this as a family. I'd like to apologize again and show our remorse. We understand the anger, the backlash, everything that came to us. We take it and we'll make sure.
And we are Ghana Black Stars captain. Your friend Andre Dede Ayu and a dear chopper or say Obia Onimibiano on an abamu won't give up and we just said the team no, they are not ready to give up and watch they'll rise again. They said Dede any team no on the boy Black Stars now Dede and you're ready so be retire or be rise up. Next one won't give up. Masa on Tiso Dogobi no be or be boy Black Stars na DBCBNC and we Dede chopper or Japananra or Kopema Ghana Football Association Executive Council etimi eye meeting ehwe AFCON poor performance ekosi ye no ma bi esi ya ankoye na nyo Executive Council no enkwa ne committee no mfre eye RFA chairman eso no mo ye na eno achi na Ghana Football Association edi statement aba eto edi a chopa ba na oma chopa ne say ne sitie the Ghana Football Association extend our sincerest apologies to the good people of Ghana and all stakeholders for the recent disappointing performance of the senior national team, the Black Stars at the African Cup of Nations, Cote d'Ivoire 2023. We understand the disappointment and frustrations that such results can bring to our passionate football-loving nation. Our team's performance fell short of the high expectations we all share, and we take full responsibility for this disappointment. Following a meeting of the Executive Council of the Association and Chairman of the RFAs on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the GFA wishes to assure all stakeholders that the requisite steps are being taken to address the issues at hand, and a thorough review of the team's strategies, training, compensation, and overall structure is underway. We value the unwavering support of our stakeholders, and we commit to working tirelessly with you to ensure a stronger and more competitive team. Your loyalty and passion are the driving forces behind our effort to rebuild and elevate the standards of Ghanaian football. We appreciate your understanding during this challenging time and remain dedicated to restoring the pride and success we all deserve for the Ghana Black Stars. Together, we will emerge stronger and more resilient. And we and summer FFA chopper omudiaba na JDC no me patcho ma me cartoon no me patcho ya fre Black Stars team no eso ewo a disciplinary committee yenti omo.
Please, Hilton. Please, my mother said... Go home. Please, my mother said it's not my fault.
Next. Massa, raise your head, make you see your face. Oh, Starboy. Oh, Charlie, what happened?
I'm out of words. I don't know what to say, man. Thanks to your fans for the support, you know? Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. We understand. So you can go free of charge. Next.
Hey, Black Stars, they are Sompa. Asem no some di biaba. And no so fire from a disciplinary committee. They are no so eternal. Na yenyina sunan sama odua. Ye boabo no ene e full time dwumade so. Abaya breaking it down, touching it down, knocking it down. Aje jamu yompon yem fancy na fancy. Any team mfa de akanya entwa so emamo.
Wo, Luta yeda say na Bafu Polo. Entire no bomodian so be contacting na waye bi ama na fe. Wo so wanya bi ahye brand African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck, and African print V-necks no, and abeso sha oye man mema nyina de anti man mema na am some wedding ebe dru so amobesa mo kwa mo photo shoot no betin am pre wedding photo shoot enter the obane be ma de na fe mahwe ama ye kama or the friend say gold package no our 20 shirts our box back mo silver package and so a shirt no Marco 15 and after bronze and so a shirt Marco 10 just Bafu Polo so pebia 2 akwato anasempo wo be so ye baako bi ani nyina no wo contact no no so be hwe ne kama ama afei wono na provide ye de ne ma ya wade bia ye hwebie enti se ye fa bomodian so be hwe ne kira kwan ahenema kokobin onso do woni kira aye Santa so boase kwan no so no kokobin ho 0249 600789 0249 600 789 and I say 0599 899 919 0599 899 919 na just say when a Bafu Polo and so enkasa obeso tu kwa kwa adwuma ewa amanone anasempo uye school no obeso toa wadisua so ewa brochire wa bra mekan no aye scholarship asem and ye kanye se bia wo ana osadu sike ekwa korum na mom so obeso kosua de na toa so university no obeso kobi wo ho anase masters ana obeso ye ewa Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand ana Germany nurses and midwives no so obeso mo kono Money Express Group empenfo no enkasa obeboa mo visa e ban ticket na and also ababua obeso ko holidays and also obeso ko tonso a express group empenfo no ana almost ababua kroma womo e wasafo liberal na about afi Accra Kaneshi First Light ana temanso no community 18 Lashibi Goy filling station or announcer ebeka empenfo no tankrade a market circle omone hot and nesto a fast food edi enmhwe afi sunyane so a silver house building na mutamale womo so technical hospital no ana fe bebia ni so mo ben aye court no fre 0249 000448 0249 000448 and I say 0555 55 0067 0555 55 0067 na just on the Express Group and Penfono and Casawo Mike
yet one commander so Andra and Komaya Shasi and Sophia now still on the Black Stars budget on the AFCON. The minister no Troy say and to Munchi Sikan in Tentem Crown and the development for Frababe County only in Kaimame a year the Ministry of Finance and the Controller Generals and Accountants Department or more correspondence as in Kitahudi Omunyae. The first one year Ministry of Finance Netrokoma Controller and Accountant General Department for a bank transfer into what say Ministry of Finance letter where a response from the controller and Accountant General no but only in Kamame a the Mayano a budget one.
Okay.
Now that budget one no from the Ministry of Youth and Sports and it details why or more fast wire expenditure for the AFCON. Now ministry needing kind ministry now in this case ne reference the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Omuno mujina Ghana ha embebunu any agudi they are responsible for formulating policies and driving the future of youth and sports in the country. Now omo let no mo chokomo no na ehihani na ne say so mutu sika enso go account mu na sika no na omo din kan converting ti ye the dollar equivalent and in the CD equivalent sika dodo omo je ade akọ. It means that for the group stage of the AFCON and the preparations for the AFCON no Ghana budget for it yemfa say preparations near South Africa campaign we na no person omokoni na no eno na $1.3 million eno nko a
no mba kumasi
yeah I know you saved money and it says can way because you tua yanko South Africa yetena Ghana Where is the money? Has the minister accounted for it yet? OJ 1.3 million. See, they call for AFCON campaign in South Africa. Hotels, feeding, accommodation, 1.3 million na OJ. Sikana kana ewing, and year back on. Then for air transport and per diem. I no more clarify. So what AFCON na? Country no, wa qualify no. Why the foul honka? Abra woko country na woko no.
Organizers na careful.
Good. And the air transport and per diem na $1.185 million no. For transport of wine.
Yes, I don't know catered for. But by coming from say be a calf, and the calf
has a contingent they will cater for the team, the technical team, and some few officials.
Okay, so you can say
transport now.
I reflect to how cry.
No, medium. So for why more per diem. They are aware per diems will be paid to everybody captured on the government list.
Okay.
Then near about bonuses for the group stage, $1.185 million. And what can in album? It means that for preparations to the group stage, Ghana budgeted that is $3.7 million. One, Yanko South Africa, so we will save money. Air transport, per diem, they will exhaust that budget. Then bonuses. We did not.
That's why we need match.
Good. So bonuses, no, and also what's the justification? Did they pay? The minister ought to come and account to Ghanaians. One in the two and say a court tournament no more approve budget. Say Sikani and Farmer GFF no. The money remains with the ministry.
Chief accountant no.
Yeah. And it's almost court tournament. Na yes, ye diskani in a good bag mu. Near the Akoma FF one say munji skara na monche. The money remains with the ministry. Ko pimsi ebe tournament na ebe fie. So nipa na this scanning share in same so on this verse on your way no. Or render account ama minister na one. So our render account na minister no. There na o catch Ghana for. How much did we spend out of the budget of 3.7 million?
Okay.
Say na ya save. And then what is the plan for that saved amount of money? Now, omo church weni in an fancy. The most minim unim Bible mu pa. Unim Bible mu.
Sompa Sports.
Reference James 4:2 famame.
I'm trying to see real
James
quick.
James chapter 4
verse 2.
Good.
Okay. Me I'm sorry penny now. James 4:2. Okay, so me had there.
Hey, so
oh, maybe now there. Well, James chapter 4 verse 2. Or say good. Also day.
You desire but do not have. So you kill.
Two no.
You covet but you cannot get what you want.
So you fight and quarrel. You don't have
because you do not ask.
Good.
Account be no so transfer card in fankom.
Account there.
There that's here no. I'm transfer card in coin after
okay, women's sports
account, USD account,
women's
dollar account,
development account, US dollar account.
I don't know how much.
Yeah, this Canada fa we money. Yeah, the manica. You see, yeah, tournament ani akata ni abompire for luck. We pray for fortune or favor.
Maybe also.
Yeah, transfers Canada to women's sports development account. Okay, you're developing mass sport, and one way to develop sports for man is motivation. What the 3.7 million say say no on the Black Stars for preparation for group stage. Anameboa and na air transport ni per diem so count. And money DNA akosi saying Omusika will not even amount to 15% of even the group stage budget of the Black Stars. But the minister hurriedly wrote a letter. Said Minister of Finance. Just canning 10 times. That was maybe say you minister.
A far a man account. Move say be a women development account, women sports.
A sports
account. Good. But a man of your
money the air blasters idea. Air blasters idea. But a man the end whole minister no menyasho so who an okay we bun any so. Then the controller and accounts general department so nensaka ya pa the expedited action. Bonica says expedited action. They say in 10 term one train so cra.
and a partial
breast
release this kind of coin. So the Black Stars money correspondence into it did not even last 1 week in Port no mutu escano. And money the months.
So how much did they pay?
5.7 million. How many 5.7 million more? Sikano troko no mutu ai. So they've paid 5.7 something. 5 million some plus out of the requested and a budgeted amount of 8.9 called $9 million no. So much jimu 70% in the cry ministry neho. And they need to come and account to Ghanaians. The money is not with the GFA, it is with the ministry. I'm repeating. Sikana ya de call AFCON no. Ewo ministry neho, any GFA neho. So they should come and account. And you're number one. Now yemsha minister no. Time a year vetting say Virginia to say obey sports minister nen sem o catch Ghana for. Oma me minister adverting.
Minister no sports
minister adverting yentie no.
Okay.
We will give equitable attention or equitable distribution of resources. Because if you look at the country, yes, I will be a minister. I would rather say we will give equitable attention or equitable distribution of resources. Because if you look at the country, yes, I will be a minister for all sports discipline in the country and will promote and ensure that their welfare, their facilities, how they are training, we will ensure that is done. Things like that is what we will do to ensure that every sporting discipline is given the needed attention. Then, in terms of funding, earlier in my answer, I said government is in the process because the law that's under your leadership was passed at 934 in the regulation bid. The regulation is currently we've started working on it. My predecessor have already started on it. It's going to give way to improve our funding structure so that we don't rely solely on our budget. So the National Sports Development Fund, I know a technical committee was set up by my predecessor, and I also know that there's a cabinet memo that has gone to cabinet. Given the opportunity, I'll follow it through to see the cabinet decision so that we get a national sports fund to develop our sports. Sports.
Way, veteran. Somewhere circa 2021. Anna, okay, same way. What is all stars or say or no? Obama equitable distribution of attention, resources, and our funds at the amount all sports, inclusive women's football. Bronica equitable and just say equal. But also no what dear. Yes. Sabeka. Anameboa. Also no what dear. Wonsa ebeka. So a man almost sonny or modiano. Omoni omatnasia a bonus structure. Again, let's listen to the minister whilst adverting any kind of fa a car bonus home common or did it Ghana for.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, the issue of bonuses is something that is worrying, like the honorable member just rightly said. Given the opportunity by this August House, I will engage the stakeholders, GFA, the National Sports Authority, Parliament, and even Ministry of Finance to get, and even Attorney General Department, to get a comprehensive bonuses structure that will leave time, you understand? So that once we have it, it's not a year that when we have tournaments that will then be coming to discuss bonuses. It will be known to all sportsmen and women in this country, so that they will not put ahead bonuses ahead of represent our country.
That's it. Now, where a minister not vetting, Joka yes engage stakeholders. No kre wom kakra. They engage some of the stakeholders. One, Black Queens for no. First no bonus. So obo home game wa 2,000, away 2,000. That is if you win and then you progress to the next stage. In two cabo 4,000. On Mateso from 4,000 each per player to 2,500 for both home and away. Yate so 1,005 yeah. Or there any problem. Yate so yadiatum equitable distribution of resources funding. Until from $4,000 per each player to 2,500. Neno and almost 4 matches last year anymore are recognized by the Ministry of Youth and Sports.
Okay.
4 matches no more boy no. emu baako pɛ ana omo ti omo bonus amomo, and that was against Guinea Olympic Games qualifier. And no free were against Benin yentuai. Then 2 games against Rwanda and Namibia. Rwanda in fact Ghana double header no yenya the highest aggregate score line for a victor. The winning match or winning aggregate score line 12-0. Yenya the highest. Sika I was here the Martin yen fam mo play bia 2,500 per each round. Okabomo saying 2,500 times 3, 7,500. For multiply Black Queens players no more do saying 23. Okabomo sika ni drew $200,000. Besinde. Obian kan ho hwe obian fi omo sabe omo de Ghana for no mo nkan ho sportsmen and women no mo nkan ho bi and the minister enim se bibi say koso but he knows because omo qualify no minister no ministry and said they should bring out a statement in Tomaye the ministry statement to congratulate the Black Queens of Ghana for qualifying for the women's AFCON.
Abasobone baba sikanin ankan.
This is from the Ministry of Youth and Sport and omuntimi ntu anamon without the minister knowing.
Mate, my series.
Emrenason.
Aye.
I mean the Black Queens then Black Princesses then count who
series. Na nyama beba. Beba. Meba Bishop. What else now? Matimidas. Wo. It's my kitchen. Yeah, Jumene. Wednesday me boanti. Wednesday ni pizza Wednesday yenne. Tobacco na jabako can buy one get one free. What's not yawa down so I banquet tilapia yawada. And also tobacco wa jabako so uni tilapia aida. Pizza only be that. Okay. Enti banquet tilapia so tobacco be jabako a day asoso aduane bi abeso di biano. It's my kitchen restaurant and be serve o kama. Yema mu ha de afeba no continental afei make us a Chinese ones ni nyina so no. Wo be call it's my kitchen restaurant. Mo mo ye programs I'm say it's my kitchen SF station so me say I just say stadium I'm ben traffic light no I 0265707070 0265707070 and I say 0248865046 0248865046 Bishop Mamma way
we rame dance p and
Sompa Sports.
Madama, because of one of 2 issues in Tino, a bit to our Gidu call Monday. Name ne Michael Akofab and Finecosi, Mimin Daddy, the Bejina Pampe.
Okay.
Niria Joada crying any football for the Asayam Subium. Number 1 case Michael Asano can mean some. They say paper so or pound woman so no. And yen no any denti na or pound woman so
ni muntia.
Sompa Sports. The government must invest in our football. The government must invest in our football. The government must invest in our football in the Black Stars. I don't know be ebenye can be a shen bottom. You know what say na me. Say minister akot na parliament. Ebra parliament ebe jina pumu. Mustafa Yusuf, the honorable member of parliament for Yagaba Kubori, say there will be equitable distribution. Man can just say no can. Our parliament said the Okan don't mean this parliament bit imagine ejuma.
Yes.
Emma Bobo, Omeri, into Omuka
4 months.
Na men kase mi cho men kan play fa. Me kwaje parent for bi to me ho so. Se kwan bia so a omo ball Olympic qualifier 4 years ago no then e dey ko Tokyo no omusika yintuamo e ho na me ko hu say afei na chief director ebisa FA ne say vouchers way
so when am fanko
yentua sa team na Dalad ka ho Dalad a graduate abebo chan tournament eno na last year Michael and also omo e qualify ye no omo bonus ne nkoy ya metra han tempenten kwa omo ball group stage ni wie ye na omo nim so omo qualify so ono omo ni Sudan ni Morocco and na Madagascar na group omo bonus ye tua na se ye ntua
Sompa Sports
nemum qualification against Nigeria and then Benin enyesa anu mom ni tua e enti abayin fast can measure in football no now say on fine obi apɛ Black Stars Mira mpacho omoko World Cup ni amom appearance fee
yeah
Oman appearance fee player bi age $20,000 Oman check omoje cash 2021 and
2021
yeah born 2022
sa AFCON na born Cameroon player bi oba e bi age $20,000 and a Milova River age 40,000
as appearance fee
sikani ya mfa check mu da bi e cash ye kan say ya $100 bills no assign no age eduro bi so dia you say $5 million
some passports
but Black Queens ni sikani dia kem into this football association in the ministry no fine in name say Black Stars is the pinnacle national team omojo mama kan ho look say kase bata bi yimu dobi tan bi a ministry no based on what the minister said are vetting
almost sanitary part class some of the tax to so na no na mo gaza mbe yi mo ya na munyanyi
so tiase o omo gba qualify wi o say sika we tina ha hwe so mo ko bo AFCON no mo ntimi an qualify for World Cup na ahye ntua enti akra no onam nyina no ya oni amememfi ehye ni mu
na mo beda age trophy
next month omo bebo match omo ne Zambia wo crucial Olympic qualifier na so tenase no bompire no ka se obi a onpese obedi ye bia nyankopon ni ndia emba Black Stars
mo so na beba because I discard fan account mu
adwuma we no adana na me ka cho se fa card ne ma me no adana me bisa se fa card ne ma me no na me wo hotel e friend say Novotel Plateau hona na minister buy no
some passports
na Eli Kinson ene Eloy Amandi ena na mo ne me no ene ye bon komo je ve hwana na Moses Parker soda hwana na Guinea Bissau ene Mozambique soda okay it was quite obvious say Kofi the night before your game no me ni Mozambique players no baako your friend Witty
Witty
me koji pina colada o se de ni bi ena me ne ti ona ye kofuna ma jo so mbe yi free man po nti na me status anopana na me de tweet say look omo mpe kwa bi so ma me fe na e de ankofo de ye be kofie the bone of contention Novotel na ye on penny for bibi e koso boko bon Black Stars ebo omo nya de Jeff, at what point na mo te say nsema ACO Black Stars according to omotunum no directly related to the football. The first issue people encountered here supporters on aba omusika se momunya baby na meboa.
Yeah.
They told me supporters union for choir press conference and yes sir. Sanyo man me patcho about 2 and about 3.
I say, born na concentration crime.
Exactly.
Your koche no kwa.
Black Stars company, they are unable to manage it. Monday be chassis pa munya.
Very necessary because
Jeff, in 2006, count the number of players on more Ghana. Your boy AFCON Egypt, Michael, almost signing contracts. It's made like this, signed for Andes. But they told themselves until the
announcement.
How dare we allow start run officials to bring a contract into the Black Stars hotel? Any pay
some passport.
Yeah, waffle. I'll say the contract. Perfect.
Because for finally free Nasal, Aqua Itihad or Saudi wa. The announcement no better ba say pictures ne say
me say yes so be say omoti hotel home Jesus Christ. What are we managing? Okay, nti Michael ye call ye nya $700,000
from CAF.
Yes, ka ye nya no say ye nya de.
So we win match na.
Oh nya de.
We from group stage.
Ye nya de.
To 2 points and another
700,000. Ne fan she trim say they never say keep bed for ni bi omo ye. See the 2-1 the point American key the second. Yeah. The economic loss of Black Stars. So I'm the king. Prophet Isikako. Muye ya. The modia brain. No problem. Michael 700,000 ain't even bonus no.
Black Wednesday.
Black Wednesday there no. 200,000. Coach there no nka. Normally the coach
no problem.
Coach be 300,000. But Sikani Inano Okabomo and drew 250,000. Black Princess is the end cry there. Yana say and Mumbo is come obejio. No, mama backlog of matches.
No, share Senegal monano.
Wafu no ode ochina.
Football no say be enwadwuma. Yes, share nkomo as and them say emra never call but bunya botre be ye enwadwuma makama. Yes, I say me bo hotel na me say minister da.
Yeah.
Minister no phone do na president friend onyam.
Ose
minister phones
sports minister no.
Yeah.
Sompa
the president was trying to reach him, Jeff. No, you see, time now they be drew here. No? And the way the place is. Say a flight not buy. You get the point? So when he got access to power or boss, there was time now we drew here. No?
Yeah, I'm saying
and baby are Black Stars air training.
No, maybe I'm saying that listen.
I don't know power
maybe. Anyway.
No, but
I'm raising a specific issue. So start training now. Only one, the culture Asamoah Boateng.
Yeah.
They went straight to the Black Stars training ground because maybe I didn't drew critical stage. When the minister came back into the country, the first thing they did was go and see the president at the seat of governance. Now, Yati committee, Yepe coach, Jeff, Yasaki coach, and the senior man. The first point I'm raising, minister, with the statement about said there will be stakeholders consultation, and yes, sir. Now, Black Stars, so say GF the roadmap, then they have the following moment you see a coach. Some passports at the time I'm releases senior man. Chris Utin report on Koi. Management committee report on Koi.
I don't know change report in came once.
So say Mr. Katena on your chief director. So Oka committee no and no cope coach on the go pokuntima. Document Ben or better so reference a day to above.
2021 investigative committee parliament JJ documents ni weni nan. Omode yede.
Good. Let's say
the same government about to sign.
Omo dream so mo be no.
Yes, on can crown who you may of course also free.
So there is a mother serpent and a
you buy a bet to us. You knew series bearable some yasem. I must say, callers no fan change. You are buy enough time. I am sorry, so news ever.